Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about optimizing your logo and cover photo. Let's get started. When you create a Facebook business page, you must have uploaded a profile photo or logo and a cover photo for your business. Your profile photo will be the image that people will recall and associate with your brand. When posting content, people mostly check the profile photo or your logo. They should clearly view your profile photo or your logo. It should identify and associate your logo with your brand. With your profile photo, you must showcase your brand, your products or services, or what your business does. You can use your logo if your business already has one. A good profile photo can grab a potential customer's attention, stay on your page to view the content that you share, and follow your Facebook page. Your profile photo is your brand's identity. It will be a small image inside a circle. Your profile photo or logo will be seen alongside your business page name whenever you post content or engage in the comments section. It will look like your profile's avatar. This will be seen on your posts, comments, and notifications. Your profile photo must be in a size of at least 180 by 180 pixels. It is best to use a square photo for your logo, and the best format to use for profile photos is PNGs. To have an optimized profile logo, use a photo or a logo that will be visible even if your avatar is small. Make your profile photo or logo simple enough with one main image or text. Next, use your brand's color. Your profile photo is as small as the comment section's text box. A person's face will not be recognizable inside the circle. You must upload a logo that has a dominant color representing your brand. If your logo includes letters, then it should be big enough to be read. Also, it must have a dominant background color that can complement the text in your logo. It is good practice to make your logo eye-catching, and it clearly shows a strong representation of what your brand is. Next, you must also upload a page cover photo for your business page. Your Facebook page's cover photo is the top large section that is seen on the top part of your page. It is the biggest image that any visitor can see on your Facebook page. It's also the first image that they will see as they check out your Facebook page. The recommended dimension for the cover photo is 820 by 320 pixels. The best format to use is an sRGB or JPEG file. The file must be less than 100 KB. But if your cover photo has a logo and a text, the best format to use is a PNG file format. In this example, you can see a cover photo that can highlight the latest promotion of their business. You can see on this Facebook page that the brand showcases the product that they are currently promoting. This brand uses its cover photo showcasing a featured product with text showing the product's best features. It also shows text "Buy Now" and it links to a post about the product. And people who clicked on the cover photo can browse the different products that this brand offers. To upload the logo, click the camera icon and choose Edit Profile Picture. Click Upload Photo. You can drag, zoom in, or zoom out your photo here. Then click Save. This section is for the cover photo. Click the Edit Camera icon, then click Upload Photo. You can also drag to reposition and click Save Changes. If you click to view as a visitor, this is how your page visitors will see your Facebook page. As you can see, it's now optimized with a profile logo and a cover photo. Now that you know about optimizing your logo and cover photo, we can now proceed to the next topic, choosing your username and call to action button. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.